So on this side, the only thing that got unplugged was this cam sensor, a couple of the plugs, they're in the correct order for sure, the intake air temperature sensor, and obviously the vacuum hoses. So not too sure why by removing those would we have any problems with starting, but that's all that was interrupted. Just trying to trace my steps here and try to figure out what happened, you know. We're just waiting for a replacement MAF to come in. I took off the AM lines and all the connections to it, and we're going to just go back to stock lines just to kind of rule out any issues there. Once I have the MAF, we'll plug it up and see if we can get it started with some normal hoses and go from there. Again, I don't have any codes, so hard to tell if there's something else going on at the moment, but for sure that MAF was dirty, and it's possible that it got toasted in this process.